Hello, welcome to the channel and welcome back to Resurwreck Autos HQ. So guys, it is Monday morning. Loads going on this week. It's going to be super busy. I showed you the new project on Saturday, that KA titanium. And I've never had a KA titanium on the channel and in the workshop before. I've never done one. Loads of Z-Techs, KA Z-Techs, but not a titanium. So yeah, I wasn't sure what was going to come with it, what spec is and that sort of stuff. But that car is such a lovely colour. It's beautiful, isn't it? So yeah, that's coming up. We've got to get the red one as well. It's still on the lift over there. We've still got to get on with that one. We're doing Peter's one today, which is the timing belt and water pump on Peter's car, because this is sold. And I think he wants to come and collect it at some point this week. So I want to get that done for him today. So that's done. And also, if we've got time, after we've done this, I'm going to show you the Focus ST. It is back from the paint shop and just looks incredible. It is unbelievably good. So yeah, and we're actually going to be working on that Focus ST this week as well. I think I'm going to take the wheels to the wheel refurbishments. We're going to put all the bumper back together. We're going to put it all back together and hopefully take it for a drive. You know, a nice drive, like a smooth, lovely drive. Do you know what I mean? I'm not going to sort of start thrashing it around and that sort of stuff. That's not really what I'm going to do. So yeah, really busy this week, guys. But for today, let's get cracking with Peter's. I'll set you up on the tripod straight away. Let's do this. Right, okay, so guys, I can't just set you up on the tripod straight away, which I wanted to do, and just get stuck in with this. I just need to show you what I've been up to, because I did come in here Saturday and showed you the KA video, but also I cracked on and got it all stripped down. So I got the belt off and the old water pump is out of the way. So yeah, there we go. So what we're going to do now is get the new water pump in place first of all, get that in place, torque that up on the bolts, and then yeah, put the new belt back in place and the new tensioner, and basically do the reverse of what I just did. Yeah, so but yeah, not too bad. It ain't too bad. It's really clean actually. It's a really clean engine. Yeah, the oil's really clean. It's been really looked after, this car, but it ain't got a lot of miles on this car, so you know, that's definitely got something to do with it. But yeah, here we go. It's all off. Right, okay. So let's get cracking. Now I can set you up. Let's get this done for Peter, and we can sort of carry on. Might even get a bit done on this today, because I have got the timing belt and the water pump for that one. So I might get that on as well. But let's just get Peter's one done first, and then we'll move on. So let's do this. Right, okay, so guys, there we go. New water pump, new belt, new tensioner, all been fitted. Just got to get that tension off that onto that belt. But before I basically pulled that tensioner, the bolt is done up tight. But there's slack in the belt. Now I want slack. I don't want slack this side on the belt. I want it the other side. So how you do that is you get the cog at the bottom, you turn it. I'm not about to do this I'm not about to do this with showing you as well, guys. But basically, you get the cog at the bottom and you turn it like this. So can you see that? It's like I'm giving it tension on the right and not on the left. You know what I mean? And whilst you're doing that, you pull the pin. So, sorry guys, I had to cut off there. I had someone come to the door again. So yeah, you know I have to do that. So yeah, so what I was saying about the tension on this belt now, you just basically turn that cog at the bottom, sprocket, like this. So I'm pulling it towards like clockwise, tight, so the tension's on this side. So the tension's on this side and this is slack. And then at the same time, you pull the pin. So that's how you do it. So we're going to do that now. Get it tensioned up, pull the pin. There is no actual... sometimes there's a Allen key section where you can put the Allen key in, turn it to tension it like further once you pull the pin. With this one, there isn't. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. And then it's just a case of boxing it all back up, putting the lower cog on this one, and then turning the engine over, make sure that it's all timed and ain't nothing's moved. But I know nothing's moved. Christ, yeah. I've done a few of these now this way, and only one has ever moved, and I think that was my fault. But you have to learn from your mistakes. Yeah, you have to make mistakes in life. You have to make mistakes, otherwise you'll never learn. So yeah, but I'm sure it's going to be absolutely fine. So let's keep going, and let's get Peter's car done. So let's do this. Right, okay, guys, as you can see, it's all going back together. Um, Still got some bits and pieces to do. It's not quite finished, but we are getting there. Definitely getting there. We've got to connect up the bottom pipe. I've done the starter motor. That's all been put back together down there and tightened up. We've got a pipe here to put back into place. It connects the throttle body to the airbox. Coolant, obviously. Auxiliary belts. Both belts will be put back on. So, but yeah, we are definitely getting close. Before I've done all this, I made sure I turned it over by hand, and it all lines up and locks in place and exactly where it was. Nothing's moved, so I'm pretty confident now, guys, that this is going to be no issues for us. But yeah, going back together really well. So yeah, let's continue, box it all back up, get it all done, and then turn that key. Hopefully no issues, no problems, but I can't see it. So yeah, let's do this. Right, okay, guys. So I've done one belt, which is the main belt for the water pump and the back pulley, which is, there's two belts on this one. One goes right to the back, this one here, and then one sits on the front, which is this to this. And they've sent me the wrong one. It's too big. So we're going to have to wait till tomorrow for this one, so I can fit the new belt on the front bit there. And then we'll wrap it all up, and then I'll get the tyres done, and then hopefully that should be it. But at least it runs, and it's all sorted and back together. It's just a shame I couldn't finish it completely, but... So now the water pump's running now. So the only thing that's not running is the aircon pump. So I suppose I could get it running up to temperature because the water pump is running. But we'll do that tomorrow. I can't really sort of stay any later than really right now because I've got parents' evening this afternoon. So with my youngest. And yeah, I just like to... Years ago, I wasn't able to do this. Going to parents' evening and you know, doing the kind of things that for the kids, because I was always at work. I was leaving at 5 o'clock in the morning and I weren't getting home till 5, 6, 7 o'clock at night. And it was constant like that every day. So now I'm able to sort of, you know, work for myself and do my own thing. I'm able to sort of go off and, you know, do the actual parents' evenings and stuff like that. So that's tonight, guys. So that's why I'm still going to try and get this out tonight for you can see it. But I do need to leave a little bit earlier. So yes, but at least Peter's car is getting really close now to be all done and finished. Definitely get it done tomorrow. Just need to get the tyres sorted out and changed over. And then we'll do a little bit of this, and then we'll do some of that as well, and we'll just see how far we get with the KA on that one. So yeah, But for today, guys, that's it. That's the end of today's video. Don't forget to drop me a comment and give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. I'll see you soon.